Good morning, children. Today we are continuing the exercise 6.3. Listen. Question 1. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. According to the given statement, we can draw a figure ABC and D is a point on the side BC such that ADC, this angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. To prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. For that, what we have given here, we have triangle ABC and D is a point on the side BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. To prove CA square is equal to CB into CD, we take two triangles and its corresponding parts are equal. Which are the two triangles here? First one is BAC and next is ADC. Consider triangle BAC and triangle ADC. Here in BAC and ADC two angles are given and which is equal. That means angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. That is given. Then this triangles, this angle C is common for both the triangles. In triangle ABC, the name of angle C is angle BCA. Angle BCA is equal to, in triangle ADC, the name of angle C is DCA. DCA. Reason common. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA similarity criterion. So its corresponding parts are proportional. Write the corresponding part CA by here CA, so CD. CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. Cross multiplication CA into CA is equal to CD into CB. That is CA into CA is CA square is equal to CD into CB. CA square is equal to CD into CB, which is equal to CB into CD. Here sides are proportional. In a similar triangle. In similar triangles. Question number 2. A vertical pole of length, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, A tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Here, a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. ABBA pole. Its shadow is BC is its shadow. AB, a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter on the long on the ground. Then now we join this. This forms a triangle, and here also this vertical means this angle is 90, and at the same time a tower, let DE is the tower. Its length is a tower. Cast a shadow, its length, take its length is x meter. Cast a shadow 28 meter long on the ground. Find the height of the tower. Means we have to calculate DE. DE is the question. For calculating DE, first we should prove that ABC and DEF are two similar triangles and its corresponding angles are equal. It's given these two angles are equal, and angle A and D are also equal because these A and D are the angular elevation of the sun at the same time. Here this is the ray. Here these two angles A and angle D are angular elevation of the sun at the same time. So these two are equal. These two are given 90 vertical pole. So this angle is 90. Now what is given here? Let AB is equal to AB be the pole, comma AB is equal to 6 meter, and BC its shadow, BC is equal to 4 meter. Then DE is the height of tower. DE is equal to x meter, and EF is its shadow. EF is equal to 28 meter. Consider triangle ABC and triangle DEF. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. First one, angle B is equal to angle E equals 90 degree. Then angle A is equal to angle D. Reason, angular elevation of the sun at the same time. Elevation of the sun at the same time. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity criteria. So, corresponding sides are proportional. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Substitute the values. What is AB? AB is equal to 6. AB by DE, 6 by DE. X is equal to BC, 4 divided by EF, 28. Cross multiplication, 6 into 28 is equal to X into 4. X is equal to 6 into 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. 7 into 6, 42 meter. So DE is equal to 42 meter. That means the height of the tower is equal to height of tower DE is equal to 42 meter. Next question. If AD and PM, if AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and if AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Here we are given two triangles ABC and PQR and it is similar. So, ABC. Another triangle is PQR. And also given AD and PM are the medians. AD here, PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. Show that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. For that we prove AB and PQ are the corresponding sides of some similar triangles and its corresponding sides are proportional. For that, what is given? We are given solution. We have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR such that AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, its corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. So, which are the corresponding sides? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. This is equation 1. Then, what about its corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is equation 2. Then here median divides this side into two equal parts. So 2BC is equal to 2BD and QR is equal to 2QM. Substitute the value in one. AB by PQ is equal to BC 2BD divided by QR 2QM. Implies AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Equation 3. And here given angle B and angle Q are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Next one is angle B is equal to angle Q. Implies angle B is for both the triangles ABC and ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle Q means angle PQM. Now, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we have first one AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. This is equation 3. And next, what about the angle of this triangle ABD and PQM? Angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. This is equation 4. From 3 and 4, what is the conclusion? Two sides are proportional and one angle equal. Yes, sides including these two sides are proportional and including angle is equal. That means therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS congruence criterion. Our question is to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Reason, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Hence proved. Thank you.